All right. Next, our reigning Olympic champion. With 2 Olympic gold medals and 1 bronze, 3-time world champion, 6-time U.S. champion. Keep in mind, all of those were consecutive titles. Since winning gold in Beijing, he's been busy also. He's graduated from Yale. He's attending pre-med program at Goucher. He's written 2 books. And he's written papers and given speeches on topics that not only do I know not what they are, I don't know how to even pronounce them. You're an amazing person. Rocket Man Nathan Chen! So you were competitive for so many years. How do you get your competitive nature out now?
Well, I mean, it started because I'm the youngest of 5, so I have 2 older brothers, 2 older sisters, so I had to compete in some way, you know. And then now, I'm not super competitive anymore, I gotta say. I kind of put it out on the ice, and I'm just chilling now.
Not the answer I was expecting. Okay. So you've always had a very close relationship with your family and with your mom. And tell us a little bit about how that connection and the connection to your heritage has affected and shaped your life and your skating and your training.
I thought you said connection to my hair. I was like, no, that's an
Heritage.
Yeah, I mean, my mom was like a huge part of my career, and probably alluding to the previous question why I was so competitive. I think she came to the U.S. with a bit of a chip on her shoulder, and she definitely, transferred that chip onto my shoulder as a young kid, and then allowed me to use skating as a platform to grow, to learn. I mean, as you all know, from the very first day that you step on the ice, you're going to learn lessons that will transmit to the rest of your life, how to be resilient, how to stand back up, how to fall. There's so many things that you learn on the ice that are just so important for life in general. And, I think we're so lucky to be able to have all these amazing skaters here, and sort of just, I stand on the back of giants, truly. Michelle Kwan, Chris Yamaguchi, Patrick Chen, there's too many amazing skaters that I looked up to, and I think without having that sort of representation to see that it was possible, it would have been a lot more challenging for me to even envision a world in which this is something that I would want to do. The community, all of us here today, it's so great to see you all here. Thank you so much for showing up and having fun, and the competition's been amazing, so it's great to be here.
Thank you, Nathan.